Hi guys, this is Polina from Ukraine. Unfortunately, I'm not in Ukraine now, I'm a refugee. I'm waiting when the war will end. I'm waiting with my little son, as you can see him in my videos. And I don't waste my time. I want to share Ukrainian culture with you. And today I'm going to cook with you one of the vegetarian recipes. This is recipe of my mother. It's so tender and delicious. At the same time, it's very easy and quick. So we'll cook pepper with carrots. Let's do it together.
Cook like Ukrainians. Перець, фарширований морквою. Cook like Ukrainians. I have already shown you how to curry pepper. If you haven't seen it, follow the hint above. Platon! Platon! Next time we will cook peppers stuffed with meat and rice. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Subscribe and click the bell. More videos coming soon.